So in this video, I'm going to go over how to do exponential regressions on the calculator. So we're going to start off by clicking Stat and then hitting Enter on Edit. So we're going to go up until the title of the column is highlighted and click Clear and Enter to clear out any values that we may have. Okay, so if you have values in L2, go up until L2 is highlighted, click Clear, and then Enter. So now in L1, I'm going to go ahead and enter the values. So I'm just going to use the ones that we have in our study guide. So we have 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, and 6. And then in L2, I'm going to enter 47.7, 25, 11.35, 7, 4.68, and 3.02. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on Stat, arrow right to calculate, and choose option 0, which is exponential regression. So once you choose option 0, you're going to keep hitting enter until calculate is highlighted, and then click enter again. And so now it's going to give you values of a and b that we can use to write our equation. So our equation is going to be 79.6 times 0.58 to the x. So that's how you do exponential regressions using your calculator.